tonight. Come with me. This is my channel YouTube for today. But just go ahead. Don't care about me. Guys, I just finished for prayer Maghrib today. I wanna go to buy something with my mom after this. How about you guys? What are you doing? I'm sorry. I just have some notification here. Okay, don't care about this notification. Just make a block first. Yeah. Oh yeah, how about this topic for tonight? I'm so confused. We just talk about maybe
jika orang pintar memperlihatkan kehebatannya,
go to waterfall or
lalu harus melihat
go to traditional house.
compare-nya. Apa ini?
I have one tell story about traditional house in the Bayan. Yeah. Maybe maybe everyone must go to this place for knowing about Sasak custom, and there have like almost from I don't know about this mosque, but so very traditional from bamboo. It's not modern, and when we wanna go to this place, we can use phone cell. We can use phone for record or take a picture with this is place, and yes, traditional type of this mosque, and you don't you can wear clothes if you go there, and you can wear slipper or shoes. It's more like old. It don't have like clothes or shoes. So that's why we call traditional place or mosque almost. And so many stranger go to this place, and foreigner to maybe just for as a for make a content maybe, or knowing about this story true story about this place, and learn more student learn and go to this place, and we going this place just for learn too, because my teacher want me to go and see about this place as for real, as a real. It's not for just theory. We want knowing real life about this custom and culture about this place. So really unique, like the person drunk more have food, traditional food, but I don't know the name of this food. Yeah, it's like soju in Korean, soju. And we just uh, make a question more at one person to knowing about everything in their place is in their this place. So wow, we really knowing but little by little for this place. So I'm really excited to knowing little by little. Yeah, maybe I wanna go to come back to this place again. Sorry, I make a silly face. Uh, cause I'm more want to knowing again. I'm not enough for knowing this place. Just little. Cause this 1 year I learned this place, and my teacher so long for learn this place. That's why I'm very wow, really excited to hear his to explain about everything on this place. Um. Okay. By the way, guys, how to like take a picture when we can use phone at this at this, at this place. Yeah, I'm so really confused sometimes when when we have a planning to go this place, we can take a picture or record this place. So yes, it's just like private place, secret place. Just you can see no with no camera with no camera. That's why we don't know how to explain the place detail because we don't have any picture about this place. But I think more mosque and like forest, this forest, this forest. Yeah, it's not like this like a village, like where every village. So that's why I just want to see more again. New about this topic, guys. I just going this place this one part at grade 8. Uh, you know, senior high school. Yeah, I'm going at senior high school. We go together with my friend, with my classmate. Yeah, North Lombok again. This is for North Lombok. I'm more happy. Oh, so many knowledge when I go in this village, because we must hear about they explain about rice culture, more again about marriage. Yeah, marriage in there is different than this especially then mass market is very different when they want to go married, um, and they must have gold and a coin. Yes, they must have coin for marriage. I mean 100 coin for marriage. So really hard for these people to find 100 coin. Sometimes they want to buy coin for prepare, and yeah. And I remember when they want to have uh like, what is it, trees. Yeah, to make a house from trees, but it's not like trees is this. For example, my house is not nothing different trees, make a different trees. And what else? I just remember little by little. It's not it's not a lot, because I just learned too about this culture, guys. And this place have culture like Bali, Yeah, like Bali. Yes, they are have celebration of merit is two part. Yeah, but in English I don't know. They you in the boy when boy you use no no where dot dot and udang, and in the, when girl wearing kebaya, this is traditional like Bali, like Hindu religion. It's same because Sasak culture is more like Hindu, yeah. That's why we have similar outfit, have similar custom, even just little different but similar, like twin, yeah. Oh my gosh, sorry. And then what else? I'm so confused again. I just see this place more like Bali. In you must go to Tanjung Village. Tanjung Village is more like Bali and have so many gardens. Uh, garden rice. I really like this place, but some I just go just little is not going again and again come back just like this because I just stay at Side Village, so that's why I'm not stay at Tanjung Village. Just going see view with my friends sometimes when we have a free time. Gee, yeah, you know that. Bali, Bali and Tanjung Village is similar, more similar. Guys, see, my voice is not good. Yeah, sorry because my throat is not. I'm so sorry, guys. I explain you with my every voice like every day, because today I have so bad voice. I'm so sorry, guys. I tried to. Oh my gosh, my voice already gone.